Today we're embarking on an exciting journey to transform your kitchen without draining your savings. From simple tweaks to DIY projects, we'll explore how each update can significantly boost your kitchen's value and appeal. Whether you're prepping to sell or simply want to refresh your space, these strategies are your ticket to a cost-effective makeover with a grand payoff. Now let's dive in. Understanding kitchen ROI. ROI, or return on investment, isn't just business jargon. It's the secret to ensuring your kitchen updates pay off. Key updates like repainting cabinets or upgrading to energy-efficient appliances can yield more than just aesthetic pleasure. They enhance your home's marketability, and here's how. A fresh coat of paint on outdated cabinets can breathe new life into your kitchen. Opt for neutral shades to appeal to a broader audience. The cost? Minimal. The impact? Massive. Buyers love homes that promise lower bills. Swapping out old appliances for energy-efficient models can be a major selling point, offering both environmental and financial benefits. Budget-friendly updates that pay off. Let's tackle some updates that won't break the bank but will make a potential buyer take a second look. Swapping out old, worn hardware with modern designs can instantly modernize your kitchen. It's astonishing how new knobs and pulls can totally transform cabinetry. Adding pull-out shelves, spice racks, or a lazy Susan can significantly increase the functionality of your kitchen, making it more attractive to homeowners or potential buyers. DIY projects for immediate upgrades. This is for people who don't mind doing a little bit of the work themselves. Adding or updating a backsplash is surprisingly doable for an ambitious DIYer. With a plethora of stick-on options, you can add color and personality without extensive tiling skills. Upgrade the ambiance with under-cabinet lighting. LED strips are affordable and easy to install, casting your countertops in a warm and inviting glow. Staging tips for selling. When it's time to open your home to potential buyers, presentation is everything. A minimalistic approach makes your kitchen look larger and more functional. Store away small appliances and other personal items. Open curtains and add lamps to brighten dark corners. A well-lit kitchen feels more welcoming and spacious. Avoid over-investing. It's crucial to know when to stop. Here's how to avoid pouring too much money into your kitchen. Understand what features are standard in your area. Overdoing it beyond the neighborhood's expectation can lead to diminishing returns. Allocate your budget across projects to ensure you're covering all of your bases without overspending on any one single aspect. If you're hungry for more, websites like Houzz and Pinterest offer endless inspiration, while YouTube channels provide step-by-step guides for practically any project. Revitalizing your kitchen needn't be a strain on your resources. With a blend of smart updates, DIY projects, and eco-friendly choices, you can significantly enhance your kitchen's value and appeal. Start small, think strategically, and watch as your kitchen transforms into a highlight of your home. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more home improvement insights and strategies that make a difference.